चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। चलते चलते मेरे ये गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रोते
Harish Yadav, working as a Regional Provident Fund Commissioner at EPFO in New Delhi. I am very grateful for being your student, sir. I still remember your lessons were beyond textbook. They guide us even today. I sincerely thank you for your dedication and inspiration. I wish you a very happy, healthy, fulfilling retired life.
So I am Kunal Jain, passed out in 99 batch. And sir, it was a very great learning की जब चर्चाएं होंगी, आपकी जब चर्चाएं होंगी और कई वक्तव्य होंगे, आपकी जब चर्चाएं होंगी और कई वक्तव्य होंगे, आप जैसे द्रोण के न जाने कितने एकलव्य होंगे, न जाने कितने एकलव्य होंगे। सर, it's very love from the all of the your lovely students of batch 1999.
मैं पंकज उपाध्याय टुंडला से। मेरे 97 के मित्रों को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार। तो मैं दुआ करता हूँ कि वो उनकी जो ये इनिंग है आने वाली बहुत अच्छी रहे और बहुत अच्छे स्वास्थ्य की उम्मीद करता हूँ आने वाले समय में। भगवान उनको बहुत बढ़िया स्वास्थ्य दे। अपना ख्याल रखें। नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Hello everybody. What a pleasure is to speak for my beloved teachers who have seen this school since the very beginning. I am really short of words. Like if my emotions could speak, I would write a book. Too big, you have bright future ahead. So on behalf of Christ the King Alumni Association, I extend my deepest gratitude to you all for the unwavering dedication and service to Christ the King, to student, to alumni. Christ the King family will always miss you.
Hello all, I am Dr. Mayank Agarwal. I am class of 1999 batch. Today we are celebrating farewell of our respected Devi Matthew sir. So I would like to share about a few things about sir and our school. That what makes Christ the King different from other schools is that Christ the King has these jewels or gems of these teachers like Devi Matthew sir or other teachers, which makes Christ the King different. And it has been the hard work and consistent efforts of these teachers. The Christ the King students are globally shining. So this is the result of all these hard work our teachers have done. For a very happy farewell and hope you start your second inning with a healthy and happy life. And we were lucky enough to have a teacher like you in our lives. You mentored us, and what we are today is the reflection of your teachings, what we are doing today. We all will miss your smile, sir. Happy farewell. Thank you very much.
Namaskar sir. Namaskar sir. Namaskar. Sir, we are blessed to have been taught by you.
Retirement is not the end of your influence. It is simply the beginning of a new chapter,
where your legacy continues through generation of students with deepest respect, gratitude and pride. Your class of 1997 salutes you. Happy retirement day, sir.
Happy retirement, sir.
Hello dear students and all my teachers. This is Captain Adamya Pratap Singh from ICSE Class 10 Batch 2017. I wish Marikutti Ma'am, Gary Sir and Devi Matthew Sir a very happy farewell day and a very happy and prosperous post-retirement life. Marikutti Ma'am was my class teacher in class 1st and Devi Matthew Sir was my class teacher in 9th and 10th standard. So they have kind of seen me grown up throughout my school life and achieve all the success that I have. So all that I am today, I owe to them. And I wish I could be there for your special day, sir and ma'am. I'll try my best to do that. Nonetheless, wish you again a very happy farewell day. Thank you so much. Regards.
गुड इवनिंग सर एंड मैम। अभी रिसेंटली मैंने सुना कि सर आप लोग स्कूल कैंपस से, संस्थान से इससे आप रिटायर हो गए। सुन के सर अपना ज़माना याद आ गया सर, जब आप हमारे स्कूल में आए थे। कमियां ढूंढने की क्षमता और उसको कैसे ओवरकम करना है, इससे बेहतर आपसे कोई नहीं जा सकता और ना कोई इसको समझ सकता सर। आपने जो इतने लंबे अंतराल तक इस संस्थान को, हमारे क्राइस्ट द किंग स्कूल को जो ये सेवाएं दी हैं और आपके योगदान कभी भी बुलाया नहीं जा सकता सर। अब सर मैं आशा करता हूँ आपके रिटायरमेंट पर सर आगे का जीवन आपका सफल बने और आपका दोनों का ही रिटायरमेंट सर सफल रहे और आप आगे जीवन में इसको एंजॉय करें सर। रिटायरमेंट को खुशी खुशी सर आप सबको पुनः प्रणाम। धन्यवाद सर, दिल से सर।
from your former, rather forever student. As I heard the news that you are retiring from Christ King Inter College after a wonderful and illustrious career which has saved generations of students like us, it felt as if an era has come to an end. But as they say, legends don't retire, they leave a legacy. Your towering personality and your forever gracious smile has not just saved knowledge but also the character of our students. Today, as I sit comfortably in my chamber on this chair with a secure future, a part of it is owed to you as well.
Dear Baby Matthew sir, Marikutti ma'am and Gary sir, I am Dr. Shaurya of 13th batch of CTKHS and I am currently a senior resident in Department of GI Surgery and Liver Transplantation at AIIMS New Delhi. Some of my core memories come from your classrooms. The discipline and compassion that I carry today, I've learned from you. I sincerely thank you for shaping my life. Through you, I thank all the teachers of CTKIC. Wishing you a very happy and peaceful retirement. Thank you.
Well, when I heard you were retiring, I felt so proud, but also a little emotional, because teachers like you don't just retire, they have a legacy. You were my role model in high school, and I still look up to you for your dedication and commitment you have towards your duties. We used to wait so patiently for your next session. No one ever got bored. We were always excited to hear you speak. The way you connected dates and events, the way you turned history into interesting stories, it was feel it. Thank you for inspiring generations. I'm one of many students whose life you touched. I would like to congratulate you on your retirement. Be healthy and stay in touch. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, I am Yadvindu Singh, passed from the 2010 batch of Christ the King Inter College in the lessons of being a good person throughout my life. I would like to thank him upon the lessons which he have taught me, and I would like to give a good wishes to sir. Sir, have a good wishes and thank you for teaching me, and thank you for your entire lessons, and have a good journey throughout your life, and best of luck for your second innings.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Neha Saxena, dental surgeon by profession and by passion. I'm the founder of Sunshine Academy of Life Coaching. Well, you got with immense gratitude and a grateful heart. Today, I would like to pay my tribute and lot of blessings and with wishes to my wonderful teachers, Mr. Baby Matthew sir, Marikutti ma'am, and Gary Rosemere, for their wonderful life and journey as our teachers. Without you people, we would not have been at the place where we are today. So once again, I'm grateful, thankful to you all for making me what today I am.
My dear respected teachers, Mr. Baby Matthew, Mrs. Marikutti, Mr. Gary Rosemere, I wish you lot congratulations on this amazing accomplishment of life.
Hi, I'm Dr. Charu Arora and I graduated from Christ the King High School in the year 2001. Marikutti ma'am and Baby Matthew sir have been huge supporters all my life. Marikutti ma'am was the motherly and supportive figure when we were younger and we needed something like that at school, and she was always right there. She even supported me during my fancy dress competition. Baby Matthew sir was my history teacher, but more than that, he was my class teacher. He was always so supportive, always continued to motivate me and helped me to do better through his constant encouragement. I think the confidence that he has helped me with has been with me throughout my life, and I'm very, very grateful to sir and ma'am for everything they have done for us, for all the students and for the school. I wish them all the very best for their retired life. Thank you.
Hello, this is Shamabi Thakur. I am a pass out of the batch ISC 2015. I am extremely grateful to be given this opportunity to speak about three of my most favorite teachers. They've not just been educators for me, they've imparted life knowledge, and just by how they are, I've learned so much. Baby Matthew sir has been such an important person in my academic life, because while everybody was figuring out how to understand history, I used to have doubts in history, and I was so interested that I never ever thought that I would fall in love with the subject. And Gary sir has of course shaped how I speak, the pauses, and how to use the correct words to explain my thoughts. And Marikutti ma'am has just been so nurturing and so motherly to me. I just can't forget how much love they've given me. चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, कदमों में जमा जो थका, चैन की नींद आती वहाँ, इतनी